Hi everyone, this video will be going through problem set number 2, question 1 about the walkathon. Again, like the other questions, I will be taking the information provided and adding it into my standard worksheet to make it easier to transfer the information. So you are a small fundraiser for a local nonprofit and have been tasked with putting together a walkathon. The city is charging you a flat rate of $500 to rent the park. You will also need to get a permit from the city to run the event. That costs you $300, and you need to order custom shirts for the attendees and volunteers, which will cost you $500. The rent, permit, and shirt costs will all need to be spent before the event, regardless of the weather or the potential of cancellation. So since they have to be spent beforehand, all of those will be pre-production expenses. So we can add all of those in. So we have the rent for $500. The unit will just be 1. The shirts for another $500, also be 1. And then the permit, which is $300, and again, just 1 unit. To calculate the total, you will just be multiplying those two variables together. And then you can just drag that formula down for the rest of the expenses. Drink snacks for the volunteers and participants will be $5 each. The walkathon will need to have 2 first aid responders present, and they charge $25 per hour for 4-hour shifts to ensure the safety of all patrons and staff. The estimated attendance is 100 people and 20 volunteers. So since the drinks and snacks are $5 each, with a total of 122 people between the attendees and the volunteers, we can add that in as a day of the event as an operation expense. So snacks, so they're $5. In the unit, you can do a formula of 100 plus the 20 volunteers. And then again, we'll be using the same formula for the total of just multiplying those two variables together and dragging that down. Okay, so we've got the snacks. Now we have the 2 first aid responders that charge $25 per hour for 4-hour shifts. So since there are 2 of them, so we'll be doing 25 multiplied by 2 to figure out their hourly rate together. And then they will be both present for 4 hours. So you just number of units would be 4. And those are all of our variables that were provided that we inputted into the equation. Now that we have all the information, we can add the sum formulas for the totals. So again, you will just be doing equal sign, sum, open bracket, select what you would like to add, and put it all together. So for the fixed and variable, the only fixed expense we have is the first aid personnel. And then the only variable expense we have are the snacks, because those change depending on how many people are attending. So now that we have all of that, we can start answering our questions. So the total pre-production expenses are, we go back to here. So pre-production, it is $1,300. The total fixed operating expenses would be the total of the, so the total fixed ones are on row 43, which is 200. And then the total variable would be 600. And that is how you answer question 2.